What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? So I want to show you guys one of the best Locksmith lubricator out there. Okay, this is way better than WD-40 and any other thing you can lubricate your locks with. Okay, so 4-way lock lubricant, the amazing lubricant for all key, electric, and combination locking devices. Penetrates, cleans, lubricates, protects. No Teflon, no silicone, no grease, no oil, no graphite, no gum up, anti-rust, no corrosion. Works on tough jobs under extreme conditions. Okay, even in sub-zero weather. Okay, made in the USA. Contains no CFC. The amazing cleaning lubricant used by professional locksmith. Penetrates, cleans, lubricates, protects. Will not build up gum up. Okay, fast acting, deep penetrating. Freeze locks in sub-zero temperatures. No petroleum based, greaseless. No build up, no gum up. Cleans as it lubricates. Dielectric use on electronic locks. Prevents corrosion and rust even in salt air environment. Does not conduct electricity. Anti-friction, anti-wear. Increases life of lock. Drives out moisture. So let's see what this stuff really does. Okay, I have a see-through lock right here, and I just want to see what this lubricant actually does. Okay, so let's put it up to the test. So cool. So look how it's working. So check this out, you guys. The fine little particles went underneath the pins. As you guys can see, I pushed all the little particles from up here down to the bottom, which I think is really neat. Just one of the reasons why I love this stuff. As you can see, all the particles went through the little cracks. Well, it doesn't feel greasy, I'll tell you that much. It smells good. I love the way this stuff smells. It's not really harsh. I have some on my hands. It looks like it evaporated. So I recommend this stuff. This stuff is actually pretty good. Pretty good. It doesn't feel nasty and stuff like the WD-40. Man, that stuff is gross. So you guys can see this Houdini spray actually depenetrated way in there. Make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, okay? Later, guys.